Okay, this is the new shower caddy that we 3D print. You can tell it's got the drain holes on the bottom so that no water will accumulate in here out of the shower. You can mount it on any part of the shower you want, set it on your bathroom countertop in your RV, put a little bit of museum putty on it, it'll stay wherever you want it. But if you want to mount it to the wall, the best way to mount this to the wall is to go on the back of it and put some silicone right around here in a big old circle, or a circle here and a circle over here. Close your circle. Doesn't have to be filled in the center. The reason I say close your circle, creates a little bit of a suction. Whenever you put it in there, you'll hear it pop, like popping a bubble, and it holds better. Okay, so whenever you put this in, you're going to get it where you want it, and you're going to have the silicone on the back, and you're going to press it in there and hold it down. Then take a roll of painter's tape and just go across it like this. Nothing special or fancy about it. And all you're doing is just going to let that sit there overnight like that, okay? Give it about 12 hours or so for that silicone to cure. And whenever you come back in the next day and you're ready for it, you just peel your tape off and throw it away, and there's your shower caddy, all mounted and ready to go.